Now, the crypto market may be experiencing a little stagnation today as we haven't been able to break out in price just yet, but that does not kill the enthusiasm for Shiba Inu coin. As a matter of fact, a lot of analysts believe that Shiba Inu coin could be about to skyrocket as charts are now signaling massive breakouts incoming. And we're going to be talking about that in this video because I am beyond excited about what's ahead in the cryptocurrency market. We are back into a bullish territory, showing signs of slight greed, but bullish nonetheless. We've got so much opportunity right now that we have to take advantage of it if we expect this market rally to turn into something. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin skyrocketing. We're going to jump into these market signals and these chart patterns here in a second. But I do want to say this. If you haven't been diversifying, make sure to check out Pepe Meme. Now, you guys got a link for everything down in the description below. Pepe Meme is set to launch. I believe it's in a month or two now, maybe 2 months, that it's getting ready to launch there. Now, this is an ICO opportunity, meaning that you guys are getting in before it is trading live, which means that you're getting in at the ground floor. You're going to be able to take this. The expected decentralized exchange listing price is right here. And as a matter of fact, if you want a calculator to determine how much profit you guys are going to make, a $100 investment would yield $287.68 in potential profit estimations. Now, of course, from there, you got all of the things that they are building, and I'm going to touch on one of them in this video, and that is the fact that their iOS game is now available. You guys could play it on Telegram. You can soon play it, I believe, on the Google Play Store. But just announced 42 minutes ago, the Evo Frogs airdrop game is now live on the iOS App Store. Play, earn, and meme your way to the top. This is your ticket to the moon. Do not miss. And the best part is, right, this literally just launched 42 minutes ago. So, of course, you guys are getting first mover advantage. If they get now these guys have crazy, I forgot to point this out, 3.3 million followers, which is insane. But nonetheless, they've already got 97,000 impressions. So if you guys want to be one of the very first players, make sure, go out there, check that game out, and let me know what you think. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm not going to be able to play it just yet. I have to wait for it to come out on the Google Play Store. But nonetheless, this project, 3.3 million followers on their X account. They've done $3.6 million in ICO activity so far. Very, very excited about this one, especially because it takes advantage of the Pepe meme as Pepe is running higher. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin right now, because the price action may not be what a lot of people are anticipating, sitting right around that 14 to 1500 point per coin mark, unable to break out of resistance as Bitcoin is testing 105,000, and of course Bitcoin unable to break, but this is a much larger resistance level that we are talking about here. This is all-time high resistance on Bitcoin, which could lead to a massive rally once broken. So patience is going to be very key here. Now, talking about Shiba Inu coin specifically, it says the meme coin that captured the crypto world's attention after an impressive surge of 1,089% within weeks in 2021 is once again sparking excitement among investors. A recent chart pattern suggests that Shiba Inu coin's price could be on the verge of a significant breakout. As of May 16, 2025, SHIB trades at approximately 1473 points per coin, reflecting a 24.95% gain over the last month, according to CoinMarketCap. With its vibrant community, it also talks about Dogs AI here, but we have got some very bullish chart patterns fueling optimism. It says recent technical analysis reveals a symmetrical triangle pattern for SHIB on SHIB's 4-hour chart, a formation often associated with significant price movements. This pattern, characterized by converging trend lines, indicates a period of consolidation before breakout. Now, according to Changely, the 50-day moving average is rising, signaling a strong short-term trend, while the 200-day moving average has been climbing since early May of 2025, reinforcing that bullish sentiment. Key resistance levels, and these must be broken. SHIB faces resistance, and it does have more than this, but SHIB faces resistance near the 2,800 point per coin mark, a level that must be breached to confirm the breakout. And as a matter of fact, if you guys remember the chart, I don't have it up right now, But the chart we looked at yesterday, this coincides a little bit more with that. It is the longer term move, essentially from that 2021 all-time high that was hit, the 4,500 point per coin high that we hit in March of 2024, and then of course the end of 2024 high around 3,300 points per coin brings us to resistance around that 2,800 point per coin level. Support, you're going to find support at that 2,300 after we get back up above it. And right now, the Fear and Greed Index sitting at a level of 69 is neutral to bullish outlook. If SHIB breaks above the triangle's upper trend line, others suggest it could target the 3,200 point per coin mark. Absolutely. This aligns with historical patterns where Shiba Inu coins saw rapid gains following similar conditions. So we got some price forecasts, right? May of 2025, that's this year. Shiba Inu coin could fluctuate between 1,000 points per coin and 1,500 points per coin, averaging around 1,300 points per coin. Now, as a matter of fact, I believe that Shiba Inu coin could easily break that 1,500 point per coin level. I don't think that it's going to be stuck there throughout the entirety of May, unless Bitcoin gets rejected. Now, that is very important to keep in mind, guys. Bitcoin testing and testing and testing that 105,000 level. If Bitcoin is able to break out, we've got a very nice chance of a rally to the upside. If Bitcoin breaks back down, we are, of course, going to have some hardships in Shiba Inu coin as well. Now, December of 2025, this is the year's end, and I disagree with this one. It says a maximum of 1,700 points per coin with an average of 1,700 points per coin, roughly a few percent higher than we're currently trading at. Guys, this is making so many assumptions. This is assuming that there will be no growth through Bitcoin. There will be no growth in Ethereum. There's going to be no growth in altcoins. When, as a matter of fact, if you look at the market right now, it is full of nothing but major catalyst after major catalyst. So to say that Shiba Inu coin's not going to move in prices, it doesn't make much sense. Now, their bullish forecast comes in 2026 to 2030, and that's all the way up to 13,000 points per coin. That is dropping another zero, which would be an incredible opportunity. Of course, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin could be testing all-time highs much quicker than 2030. It's going to be heavily dependent on what Bitcoin is able to do. Now, I don't have the link up on the screen right now, but if you guys are interested in buying Shiba Inu coin or investing in cryptocurrencies, you've got a link for the KSEX exchange down there. They've got excellent leverage trading up to 125x on Bitcoin, 75x on Shiba Inu coin, and some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry. If you guys are looking at additional meme coins, make sure to check out Pepe Meme. You guys got links for everything down in the description. And just diversification. That's my approach throughout this entire bull market. And I hope that this bull market takes off sooner rather than later. Let me know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.